Hey yo, what's up guys? Back again, it's your boy Adam and welcome back at yo. So guys, what y'all doing? So di sini aku bakal react Virgin's Got Talent yang orang yang bisa semua pemeran karakter atau apapun itu, pokoknya dia bisa kayak mengcopy gitulah. Jadi dia bisa ngikutin suaranya gitu. Jadi yang nama orangnya adalah Craig Ball. So kita intro dulu. Yo guys, sebelum kalian nonton video ini pastikan kalian sudah subscribe dulu ke channel gua ya yang ada di bawah sini, dan nyalain belnya supaya kalau gua keluarin video-video baru kalian dapat notifikasinya. Oke. So guys, without further ado, let's watch. Oke guys, gua geser dulu seperti biasa. Dan ini gua pakai earphones ya. Oke, fokus. Nah, gitu dong. Oke. So yeah.
How are you doing? You alright?
Yeah, no fun.
Yeah, you're on next.
Here we go.
Oke, dia udah keluar. Cuman satu doang ya gitu.
I'm nervous, but I'm happy to be here.
Oh, good. What's your name?
My name's Craig.
Craig
Ball.
And how old are
Craig
you?
Ball.
Craig?
24.
What's brought you to Britain's Got Talent?
24.
I've had people tell me I should come on, and I thought maybe finally I should
Suaranya,
just do it myself.
suara aslinya emang kayak
Because
gitu
I
kan?
don't usually believe myself, but I feel like I do. For once.
Dia pede, udah
I'm
pede.
Craig Ball, I'm 24 and I'm from Hertfordshire. My job at the moment is maintenance in central London. I often change light bulbs, I'll do plumbing, I'll do a lot of painting as well. It's not a very interesting job.
What you
Painting.
really want to do is win this and then just let everybody know who you are, so you don't have to do that.
I discovered singing when I was about 9 or 10. I feel like with my unique style, I might actually stand a chance to win Britain's Got Talent. Today is a massive day for me. Like, it's going to be the biggest performance I've ever done, but I know deep down I can do it.
Oh, dia udah percaya diri.
Okay, take it away.
Yeah.
Oke guys. Simon udah kayak gini aja. Ini lagu apa ya? Gak familiar loh. Suara siapa ya? Oh, Nelson Mandela kan itu. Wow. Mickey Mouse. Wah. Oh, ini gua nggak tahu. Ini gua nggak tahu. Oke. Hah? Oh, ini siapa sih? Lupa gua. Juga gua nggak tahu ini siapa maksudnya. Alright, I me. Oke. Oh, alien dari mana ini? Lupa gua. Oke, suaranya kayak gitu. Jadi mellow. Oh, nggak tahu itu. Simon langsung seneng aja gitu. Gila. Scooby-Doo. Wow, langsung pada berdiri. Gue harus tepuk tangan ini. Oh, semua judgesnya berdiri semua ya. Berarti amazing. Wow.
What a
Wow.
brilliantly original way to do impressions.
It is fun.
And I love
Oke, ini
that
komennya.
so many of those were ones you never see people do impressions of. Really, really brilliant art.
Thank you.
Gue langsung dipuji gitu ya.
It was so
Bagus.
funny and like David said, original.
Oh, lucu
Did not
katanya.
expect that. Well done.
Well done.
Craig, when it first started, because I didn't think you actually did sound like Morgan Freeman. I thought you were singing some tribute to him or something. And then I realised what was going on.
Dia udah menganggap orang itu
It
dulu
was
apa?
clever. I think we may have discovered a big star.
Thank you so much.
So we'll vote, Simon.
It's
Yes.
1,000,000% yes.
Kan. Semuanya yes. Soalnya kan tadi berdiri semua ya.
You have 4 yeses.
Yes.
Congratulations. Well done, Craig.
All the judges on their feet, all the crowd on their feet.
Oke.
You must be thrilled.
I'm over the moon.
Kids are gonna love this act. He's brilliant.
Hey, Mum, I got 4
Brilliant.
yeses on Britain's Got
Oh,
Talent.
langsung
That means I go through, Mum.
disampaikan aja ke ibunya. Oke guys, tadi videonya yang seperti kalian bisa lihat tadi itu wow, kata judgesnya clever, brilliant gitu, wow, outstanding kalau dari gua. Wow, itu apa katanya anak-anak pasti bakal suka gitu. Dan Simon tadi ngiranya bahwa suara aslinya itu bukan kayak gitu, itu suara aslinya atau bukan gitu katanya. Ya sih kurang lebih kayak gitu, gua nggak ngedengerin secara jelas ya. Ya kalau thoughts dari gua adalah wow buat orang yang apa kerjanya kayak painting gitu-gitu, maintenance worker ya. Jadi itu tunggu panggilan dari orang kalau maintenance itu. Ya nggak sih? Gua nggak tahu ya. Ya pokoknya kayak gitu, maintenance worker itu kayak jadi harus dipanggil orang dulu baru dia bisa. Itu kayak painting gitu kan dipanggil orang itu. Ya buat orang maintenance worker wow itu sih apa wow banget sih buat gua. Ya juga tadi dia juga bilangnya dari umur 9 atau 10 itu dia suka nyanyi ya. Tuh ya nggak bisa diragukan lagi sih ya. Tuh ya mungkin segitu aja video gua kali ini. Semoga kalian suka sama video ini. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Dadah.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in.